And this is Wednesday, the 30th of July, and this is the live Chakra Attunement with WisdomWord. So we'll begin this morning by taking a nice deep breath and noticing what you notice. Start to shape your breath by breathing in, pausing at the top of the inhale, breathing out, and pausing at the bottom of the inhale. So the Samavritti breath is the equal inhale, the equal exhale. It's a simple balancing breath, a good way to move through your day in a balanced way. Breathing in, pausing, breathing out, pausing. And notice what you notice. Notice the body. If there's any tense areas, relax it, especially on the outward breath and on the inward breath. So it's calm, relaxing, and you're focusing on the breath will create the container of light around the body, below the feet, above the head, in front of the body, behind the body, to the right and the left of the body. So making this real by practicing creating your container, focusing on your container, noticing your container. By practicing in that way, you're able to really get a strong force field around you, a strong shield of energy. It takes some time to practice, but we've been doing it for a long time on these calls, and it's super important at this time. In the past few days, just in readings alone, I've noticed a lot of Klingons and negative energy and attachment. There's just a lot of energy floating around in the world, and choosing what kind of energy you want to interact with is really important. And we do have a choice. So by conscious breathing and consciously being aware of the tension in your body or the stress, consciously being aware of your breath, consciously being aware of your thoughts, these things can really help bring you to a central place where your energy stays calm and the electromagnetic aspect of it starts to draw greater calm towards you, even though we're in a time of a lot of chaos. Breathing in and breathing out. So keeping that in mind as you move through your day and you focus on your breath. We have our container of light around. We're starting to connect to our chakras, red at the root, orange at the navel, yellow at the solar plexus, green at the heart, blue at the throat, indigo at the third eye, and violet at the crown to white light. Breathing in and out, noticing what you notice in your body. Breathe into any of the tight, cranky spaces or achy spaces. Just breathe in, feel the expansion, let go. Breathing in, breathing out. And this morning we'll start with the Kuan Yin prayer. Do it from the perspective of we, so all together we'll use the we so that it's a group energy and going up to the Divine Feminine, moving towards the heart of the Divine Feminine and bringing that energy and our intentions back in through the gardens of our hearts into our world. Dearest Lady Kuan Yin, we call on you to help us love and accept ourselves fully. We ask that you grant us full measures of compassion for ourselves and for others. We pray that those suffering in this world can see and feel your loving presence. We pray that hardened hearts will melt in the presence of your compassionate understanding, and we pray that the waters of grace and compassion that you pour over the earth will nourish the seeds of love and compassion in all hearts, creating gardens of beauty within all living beings. It is our intentions to nourish the garden within ourselves through prayer, meditation, and right thinking. In our hearts, our gardens flourish, spilling over and filling our worlds with the fragrance of the garden. We thank you, dear Lady Kuan Yin, for your presence in our lives and in our world. And continuing to focus on that container of light, dropping your attention down to the root chakra, the red energy, your tailbone, your pelvis, Breathing in red, starting to fill the container of light with the red energy as you visualize it, connecting to the red vibration and feeling on whatever level you can, feeling that red vibration in your body. Again, filling the container of light, filling the auric field, and concentrating the red energy at the root chakra, the Muladhara. You can maybe mentally start repeating, I am fully grounded to the new, healed, whole Mother Earth. I'm supported by the new, healed, whole Mother Earth. I'm grounded and secure in myself. Breathing in and out. Finding that base of the spine, tailbone, pelvic floor, down the legs to the roots, to the little root chakras at the bottom of the feet as well, in the center of the bottom of the feet. Curling your toes, moving them around, and breathing in, drawing up energy and support from the new, healed, whole Mother Earth, grounded and secure. So we're going to breathe in, breathe out, low-toned Om to activate it, wake it up. And the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra that we chant is Lam. Breathing in, ready? Lam. Let's do that one more time. Visualize that red and smell it, feel it, taste it. Feel it running through your blood and your nerve endings and your body all the way down the legs and grounding you again to the new, healed, whole Mother Earth. And breathing in, feeling that strength, grounded and secure. Let's move into the second chakra, the orange center, around the navel area, the mid-lower back, very much down there in those first 4 vertebrae or so. You know, not 4, like it's like 3, 4, 5, maybe 6, those vertebrae. This is the sacral chakra, the Svadhisthana chakra, and this one we'll breathe in the orange and do the medium-toned Om to wake it up, to concentrate our energy there, and then we'll do the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra, which is Vam. Ready? Nice deep breath in. Make sure you have a straight spine. You can move a little bit around on your sits bones. Straighten the spine. Open up the solar plexus. Raise up the rib cage and open that space. This is the Manipura chakra, and this is our sense of personal power. So I like to breathe in the yellow and draw it to my aura and then concentrate it at the solar plexus. Sometimes I imagine a big sunflower or the earth sun radiating out all the way around my body, charging up the adrenals. Taking a few moments to breathe in. You can even open your palms and hold them up and just let your body charge with energy from the earth sun. Bringing that energy into your system. I am worthy, I am worth it, I am worth support, I am worth abundance, I am worthy, whatever it is that you need to speak. Speak it out through the solar plexus, feeling that sense of personal power now. Feeling your own power, your sovereignty. Yellow, breathing in and out. So this is the higher tone Om. And the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra is Ra. Om. Ra. It's a good idea to really let the sound go through your body. Don't be hesitant about making the sound of the mantra or making the sound of the exercise. Just let that sound pour through and kind of open your jaws with it. You know, when I especially get to the heart, I really like to make sure the jaws are fluid and open. So the heart center, as we breathe in and out, the anahita, so it's anahata chakra, green in the center of the chest, many lotus petals spreading out, feeling empathy and openness. As you breathe, you might want to just kind of focus on something that makes you smile. I was watching the hummingbirds yesterday. They kept coming up to me and being all around the agapanthus flowers. Just makes me smile to think of those quiet moments. Not very long moments, but just a quiet moment in the day where you just celebrate and are grateful for nature, Mother Nature, the earth, and this experience, bringing you fully present in the moment. So opening our hearts to love and kindness. Loving kindness, remember that's compassion, loving kindness, that's the energy of the year from July to July, from the Dalai Lama. So actually June to June, I think it was his birthday, was declared. So breathing it in and out. That is our exercise. Big, deep sighs. Sighs are very helpful in releasing and opening and letting go of tiredness. Yum is the one syllable Sanskrit mantra. Let's do a deep, long one. Ready? Yum. 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 Breathing in and out. Throat chakra we come to next. That's the blue chakra, the Vishuddha. Vishuddhanaha. I always say that one wrong, but you get the gist. Breathing in and out of blue energy, opening the throat. The tongue comes out, the paws flare up. Use the lion breath. Let's clear things out. Give yourself a voice. Hum, 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 hum. Good. Breathing in and breathing out, letting that blue energy just permeate the body. Hum is also the one syllable Sanskrit mantra. Let's chant it now, long and deep. Hum, hum, hum. And another round. Hum, hum, hum. As we go up to the next chakra, the indigo color, the third eye, that's the deep sapphire in the night sky, filled with the jewels of the stars and the star system, breathing in and out, feeling that energy twinkling inside the third eye. Turn your palms up, bring them up, hold them up around the heart chakra or around the throat, somewhere in that neighborhood. And we take a moment here when we reach the third eye and we fill our container of light with indigo. We take a moment for gratitude, visualizing, thinking of all those beings, all those things in life we have to be grateful for, the earth, our breath, our teachers, our friends and family. Grateful. And so state your gratitudes out loud. Just take a moment. I'm grateful for this moment. Grateful to be breathing. Grateful that I have tools that bring me back to the moment. Grateful that I can learn to be present in the moment and notice the things that might pull on me or aggravate me, and just notice them. Let them pass. Don't let them rule your life. Breathing in, breathing out. gratitude. It's a high-pitched E as you visualize the indigo coming up through the third eye. And the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra is Sham. Ready? Sham, Sham. Sham. So we have 6 chakras aligned: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo. And we come to the top of the head, the crown chakra, the violet energy, the amethyst color, that purple color, visualizing that sort of that vibration of that color, bringing it into your body and feeling how different it is as you bring this into your auric field, into your container of light. Focusing on the crown, moving that condensed violet, purple, amethyst up into white light. Some go into gold, some go into silver. Just notice what you notice, keeping the palms open here. It's exercises wah, 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 wah. So we go from a lower to a higher. Get to that highest note that you can make, and then just feel it even going further in the ethers beyond your hearing ear, but feeling it in your chakras and in your body and in your vibratory field, letting yourself receive that shower of light back from spirit, and then breathing in and doing the second round. Ready? And you might start to turn your palms towards each other, going into a prayer pose in front of the heart, or still leaving them open as we do the second round. Ready? And as those palms come together in prayer pose, Anjali Mudra, fingers pointing towards the sky, prayer palms in front of the heart chakra, we will tone Om, which is the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra for the crown chakra, and we will also seal and close our practice today. So maybe before we start toning the Om, take a moment to set your intention for the day. So important to be intentive and clear on where you're going. Even the clarity doesn't have to know it all. It just has to be clarity that I'm fully present in this moment, and I'm awake and I'm aware and I'm paying attention. Breathing in and breathing out. Ready? Om.